Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do this. So it's like snoring, but it's going to be a different thing. So you do. If you know how to snore, and then like choking. See? So that's how you do it. I might be stuck like that, but if you know, I'm at them alone. You like snore. You put your tongue like. Then you make that sound. Then spit in my mouth. You're supposed to put the spit out. And then you can make that sound. Well, that's what it is. Bye.